For Christian, I know you know that. Christian, how do you open Scratch?
Scratch.
Yes, I want to go to the Scratch website.
First go to Google, ask it for Scratch, then you'll see there's something for Scratch there, then you can open Scratch, then you say create.
Yeah, the link for Scratch. It's not something, but it's the link to Scratch. We say Scratch, Imagine, Program, Share. James, I want to search for Scratch. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
On the
Hello?
Search for
Huh? Hello?
for Scratch.
Yeah.
Stephanie, I know you remember that.
Yes.
Okay, good. And then I want you to click on create. So James, tell me when you are ready. When you are ready. Now, this Scratch platform gives us a kitchen of where you can be able to write our own stuff. Just like a kitchen, just like any other kitchen, a kitchen will usually have different tools for making different food items. Do the same thing with the Scratch online editor. Its online editor is more of a kitchen that gives you different tools for designing games, animation, stories, or just simple programs, depending on the one how you choose. Yeah. And it has so many tools that you can make.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Oh, you're already there.
Yes.
Okay, Christian,
Yes?
you already there.
Yes, I'm even
Okay.
doing something now.
Let me see what you're doing. I can't wait to see what you're doing.
Hmm?
James, have you done that? James. James.
I'm searching for it.
Hello.
Oh, Christian, what are you doing?
Hello.
You see you're doing something. What have you done? What have you designed?
Like I've pressed the thing for it's saying when clicked, then another one saying speak hello, then another one saying move 10 steps.
Oh, sure. What those things are called? They are not things, they are blocks, eh? Okay? Yes.
Okay.
So those are blocks. So the Scratch, it's block based. You write instruction using blocks. And there's a block for doing anything that you want. There's a block for moving. There's a block for anything to do with the appearances and shapes. There's a block for events. For responding to an external event, like for example, when you click a certain key, or when you just press a certain key, or when you hit a button, when you do something from your keyboard. When you move a mouse, an event occurs, and now the program should respond to that event. So all those are found on the event. Then if you want to make some sound, you go to sound. If you want to do motion, anything motion, turning, lifting, gliding, just moving, or just sliding, and then going to a certain position, pointing direction. Yes, you go to motion. Then the control. Yes.
And so there are a lot of extensions over here I can see.
Extension will come to that later.
Okay, so I'll just go back.
Okay, don't go to extension right now. I want to go with the face for the others. I want to bring them on the same page with you. Then we go together now. For James and Stephanie. James.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
James.
I'm downloading it. I'm joining.
Don't,
I'm joining.
don't join right now. Just create a program. Okay?
Okay.
We'll join later. Have you created a project?
Ah?
Just click on
No.
create.
Pardon.
Click on create.
Okay.
And you must be on this window. This one. Are you on this window?
Which one?
The one you can see on my screen. This page.
Yeah,
So I want you to click on create at the top.
I've clicked.
Link.
Yeah, I've clicked.
Yes, then it will open for you this online editor. This what I'm referring to as the kitchen, where you can design anything you want. I wanted to take you through all these tools, all these blocks, and everything you need to know about the Scratch before you get started.
Okay.
All right. So, is it loaded?
Waria na muturia kwera thiere gwake kivwai mu connect thiogere TV kivwai.
I have a game here I want us to design for beginner. Saturday was which date now? Let me see the other time. It was this one. This is really busy. Today we just learn how to work with motion. All right. So there's this dragon that's it's hunting the flying cat. Okay, let's design. So I want to take you through this stage where this character is. Are you seeing this cat? James, are you on this page now? Hello?
Yeah, I'm on the page.
Stage. We call this.
Pardon?
We call this stage. This part where the cat is. We call that one stage. And all this is everything happens here. All your game, all the cartoons, all the animation is played on this stage. Just like you've heard about drama festivals or live performance. The idea of the stage is the same, where people are performing, okay? And below that, we have a sprite list where you can see all the characters that you have. So the sprite is a character on your game or animation. So this is a character. And to add another character, you go to this icon with a head of a cat, just a cat. And when you hover the cursor there, it says choose a sprite. When you click there, you're able to see a variety of different characters that you can use on your program, game, or animation. From animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, fashion, letters, all different sort of characters you can make use of. So I want to pick this lady, Abby. You just click on the character you want, and then it will appear here on the stage and also at the sprite list below the stage. Have you done that to confirm whether it's working? Stephanie, you've done that?
Yes.
James, have you tried to add Abby? Hello? James?
Yeah, I've done that.
Okay. So then below the stage, there is some values, numbers written there. There is a sprite and the name is Abby. There is X, there is Y. Are you seeing those? Those are what defines the position of the character, okay? And then after below the stage, there's another label for stage, and below it, there's another one for backdrop. That is where you get to choose the image, the background image for your stage. The stage at the moment is very blank and it's white. So we would want to add a backdrop for that. Maybe, for example, I'll just pick the first one here, and now the stage has a different appearance, like that. Then that's something like that. Okay, now let me go back to the block palette. On the left side where you're seeing different stuff with different colors, from color blue, purple, should be indigo. Which color is this? You want to tell us which color is this for sound? The sound blocks. Is that indigo? Then this yellow, there's orange. That's all. That should be orange, or which one is orange? It's a bit confusing, but I guess this should be orange. Yeah, this should be orange. There's this blue. There's green for operators. So I want us to explore motion. So when you to make use of a block, you drag it and drop it at the center. The center is where you write your code, and we call that part the script area, where you get to write your instructions. Okay. Any question up that point? So when I click this move, the character will keep moving to the left. If I want her to come back, I'll just change the sign. I put a minus, and then she'll just come back like that. Okay. Any question? Hello, hello.
Hello.
Any question for me? So I want us to program this cut. So to program a character, you make sure you clicked it on the sprite list, and then you make sure the character is highlighted with color blue. For example, now it's the card, the sprite one that's highlighted and not Abby. If I click Abby, the Abby is highlighted below the stage. Now it's cut one. I want us to make the cut move up, down, to the left, to the right, depending on the key that you get to press. We want to use the four main arrows for that. Okay?
Yes.
James, I'm not sure whether you're together in this.
Yes.
And, Christian,
Yes.
are you together?
Yes, sir. Yes.
To make the cat move up, down, bottom, left.
Okay.
Okay. So to do that, we go to events, because when you're clicking on a key, that's you're triggering an event. You are making an event to occur. And now the program, which is now this what you are designing, should respond when that thing happens, when that event happens. So that's why we have events block. Okay. So when a key is pressed, I want you to pick this block, the second block under the events category, and drop it in the stage. This block says when dash key pressed. So whenever you can make use of different keys, but I want us to make use of the four major keys: up, down, right arrow. So when the up arrow is clicked, we want to move, and in which direction? Upwards, right? Okay, are you there? So you go to motion, and then you pick move. Move 10 steps. When the up arrow is clicked, now let me click my up arrow, it goes. Oh, it's going to the right direction. Hello. the character is moving to the right direction. So I need to point upwards because I'm pressing the up arrow. I shouldn't go to the right direction. I should go upwards. So under motion again, there's a block for pointing in direction in its number, which number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The ninth position. Position 9, we have point in direction.
3, 4, 5.
Have you seen that, Christian? Stephanie,
Yes.
have you done that?
Yeah.
James, have you done that? James? Christian, your voice is breaking. Your audio. Okay, so then under this 90, where it's written 90, you click on that circle and then you move this. This is more of a compass direction, this pointer, okay? The pointer,
Yes.
move it to face upwards because you want to move upwards. So you move it and make sure it's facing up, the pointer.
Okay.
When I click the top now, it goes upwards. And when I click the down, then do that, and then I want you to click on the up arrow and then down arrow. Tell me what happens.
It's going up and it's going down.
It's going down.
No, up only.
Why is it not going down?
I don't know.
Just try to figure out why. Why do you think it's not going down? Just try.
Mm.
Okay, let me ask Christian. Christian,
Yes.
if yours moving up,
Eh?
if yours moving up
Yes.
and down,
I'm going to show you what you're supposed to do. I will show you what you're supposed to do.
why is it not moving down?
My.
Hmm? Do you know why it's not going down when the down
Wait.
is pressed?
Sit down with Jesse. Sit down. Where are you?
James,
Okay. Jesse. Your teacher's back. Tina.
James. Hello, James. Are you together?
Yeah.
Is yours moving up?
No. Yes.
Why? Have you got blocks?
Hello?
I'm stuck in the motion.
Why? What's the problem? What's the why?
How do you put the steps?
It's the motion. You drag it and put it down here. Just bring it. You had the when up arrow key pressed.
No.
Oh, what's the challenge?
Just a minute.
You go to the event, yeah? You click on event.
Yes.
Your cursor to where the arrow, the key, the block is. When the pump appears, you move it, you right click, you left click on your keyboard, on your touchpad, and then you drag it like this to bring it at the sprite, the script area, the center. Try that.
Yeah, I've done it.
Okay. Now it should be working.
No.
Yes. Okay. Drag the 3 blocks and tell me whether it's now working.
Yeah.
Drag the 3 blocks, arrange them like the way you can see mine, then you tell me whether it's working.
Let me come just a minute.
Okay. So, okay, Christian, you told us why is it not going down?
Eh?
Why is it not going down and it's going up?
Wait, you meant it's supposed to go down?
No, I'm just asking. It's going up only. Why is it not going down when you press the down arrow?
Are you listening?
I
Why did you drink with blankets?
Okay, let me
don't know that.
okay, let me help you. The reason why it's not going down is because we've not given instruction what's supposed to be done when you press down arrow. We've only given the instruction what's supposed to be done when the up arrow is clicked. And we said when the up arrow is clicked, move. Then where? Point unit direction to the top. Okay? Yes. Is that clear now?
Yeah.
So you drag now for down. Let's give the second instruction. You bring again when dash key pressed, then you click on the center to
Excuse me.
then you select down arrow. So when down arrow key, you also want to point in direction, but you point the up or down. Hello.
Mine's not moving.
This is not moving.
Yes. Yeah.
When you click the down arrow, the up arrow.
Yeah.
Did you
Pardon.
this key, this when it should be when up arrow is it when up arrow. Click this down, drop down, eh?
Pardon.
Or share your screen. Yes, like that. Then I'll pick down for pointing direction. No, don't change anything right there. But you can click now. That's so that you understand why. You can just click now. You press the up arrow on your keyboard. Oh, you're using your laptop or a phone? Yes, you see it's moving, but it's going to which direction? To the right, right? Hello? So to make it point upwards, you need to go to the block for pointing direction and bring it there. Pointing direction is just that number 9 after glide. Yes. No, you are almost there. Okay, then next, that one. Yes. Yes, bring it after the motion. Just drag it. Drag it, drop it there. Okay. Then you see now it says point in 90 in direction 90. Yeah? Press that 90 so that you can see that arrow, the pointer. Now just click once. Yes. Now move that pointer to point upwards. Yes, like that. All right. So now it will be reading 0. That's more of a, for you, you know compass direction, do you? Yes, now click, you see now it's moving up, eh? That's pointing direction, that's move, it's a compass direction.
Because we have not coded.
Yes, so you needed to code that instruction. That's why we were saying now, programming is giving a computer instruction or not supposed to do. So what's supposed to be done is moving down, moving up. But you see, we didn't tell it what to do when you press down. So we needed to add it also. So drag another block at the event. When down arrow key pressed, move point in direction, make it to point downwards. And then for me now, tell me whether it's working. Stephanie, I know you should be done right now. Have you?
Not yet. I'm almost.
Okay. And Christian? Christian? Christian, are you done?
Yes.
Is it working when you press the down arrow?
Yes.
Good. I want you now to make it move to the right and to the left, so that she's now moving in all directions. There are 4 directions. So that's also a let me see. Are you able to share?
Last instruction
Which one for moving which direction?
for moving the left direction.
Okay. You've done the right, eh?
Yeah.
Good. Mulyongi. Christian.
Yes.
May manage. May manage.
All right.
Left and right.
It's all right.
I want to stop there. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. It was fun.
Yeah. Yeah. On this side.
Stop here. So, I was really happy to have you. It was fun.
Pardon.
So a clap for everyone and a thumbs up for everyone for making it this far. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson. Have you?
Yes. Yes.
If you enjoyed the lesson, it's a bye-bye for now.
No.
Okay. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow, same time. So you'll be time 9 o'clock.
Okay.
And we are going now.
Yes, you're going now.
So we've taken an hour 27 minutes.
Yes. I want you to today. The first lesson, I don't want to take the whole 1 hour 30 minutes.
Yeah.
I hope it wasn't.
How many minutes does it normally take?
1 hour 30 minutes. I hope that's not too much for you.
So I have a question. Can you tune into the one at 5 to 6? That